If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day. Hello. So I'm pretty sure you didn't expect me to react to this, but a homie of mine told me to check this out. I was trying to finish my salad. I think I'll just finish my salad while checking this out. But Ashby Wish came out recently, and a homie of mine told me to check it out and to record it. So I'm doing that. I'm here. Don't know why. I've reacted to Ashby before on my Twitch, which you guys should be following. I Twitch almost every day, Twitch Straight Gaming. But damn, that salad juicy. Let's see why. Let's see what all the hype is. Like I said, I have seen Ashby stuff before on Twitch. Without further ado, let's check this out. We got shoes. Okay. Oh shit. Oh dang, he got nice skin. Nice hair too. Wish. Gucci swimsuit on your booty. Oh, she's singing. Blow me like a wish. Hold up. Licking champagne. Hey, yo. Oh. What? Drown into you. Oh. Oh. What? What is that? Coke? Or a flower? It's tutu. What is happening? This is like a homie is very good looking, by the way. Ashby's beautiful, but damn, she like that? Sweet jelly? Hold up, I can see why my friend was trying to make me watch this. Hey, add a check on your list. Blow me like a wish. Literally reminds me of Make-A-Wish by NCT. Oh damn, they getting drunk? That man got some nice ass eyebrows. Okay. Oh, it's on his mind? Blow me? Hey, blow her like a wish, you know what I'm saying? Oh, okay. Damn! God damn! Oh, whoa! She grinding? Oh, it was all a dream, huh? From Ashby. Oh shit! I see why you wanted me to watch this.
Hey! You better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.